of your kindness, though a blessing, there can be another deliverance from the devil's late night. Oh, one hell of a woman is just
something stronger than whiskey. And oh, I've tried, but every time I feel it kiss me, keep coming up empty. Yeah, I just wanna love somebody who won't leave a hole in my heart. I just wanna love somebody that don't want me falling apart. And I'll be lucky if I ever find there's something more than just a crazy night. I just wanna love some.
We're damn good together, we're birds of a feather, never say never in love. A far cry from perfect, but one thing's for certain, we can't seem to get enough. No, we ain't good at breaking up. We ain't good at breaking up. Maybe it's my imagination, I'm overthinking tonight. Wanderlust turns to lust, washing over both of us, jonesing for another ride. We're damn good together, we're birds of a feather, never say never in love. A far cry from perfect, but one thing.
Hey now, but are you sure it's what you're looking for? So come on, don't be late now. It won't be long before it's at that door. Toys and flavors, seeds and saviors. Come on, devour and cut the edges out, baby. Hip good thing and hip no more. Legal speed buses, it comes on the fashion floor. Hey now, but are you sure it's what you really need? So come on, don't be late now. It's a one-hit guarantee. Toys and flavors, seeds and saviors. Come on, devour and cut the edges.
things I'm leaving to my friends. I'm going away and I can't decide who would want my end. 'Cause what I have to do is not that nice and really no fun. I love little lies as much as you, but he's the big one. I'm gonna tell everybody I know that I'm moving to Nashville. I get all my goodbyes well out of the way. I'll make a memory of them shipping me off to Nashville. But I'm not going, there's no way I can stay.
It's up in smoke, but I ain't high. There she goes, no goodbye. Yeah, she's running right back to his arms again. I'm sitting all alone in the cold Rocky Mountain road. I ought to roll up straight through his yard, kick his door down, but I'm so tore up. Hell, I can't even drive right now. A good man can only take so much, man, until he's had enough. And God, I've had enough. It's up in smoke.
I've been doing good, so good. And
and I've been on my best behavior. I've been living by the book. Should've known that sooner or later you'd walk in this place and I'd break, take 2 steps back and say, what's one little taste gonna hurt? You're burning hotter than a bourbon with no water, and I want your buzz in my veins. Boy, in the morning I'll walk out the door and I'll pour us back down the same.
It is over, and all that moves a star or two moves slowly. Firelight in from the cold, away from the dark. Here we are, chasing flames that roar through the world and will not tame. From the hidden fires of cosmic motion.
What I best, darling, I'll leave your skin. I'll even wash your clothes. Just give me some candy before I go. Oh, darling, I'll kiss your eyes and lay you down on your rug. Just give me some candy after my hug. Oh, and I'm often found explaining, but the hurt lays out all the same. Stay with me, stay with me, 'cause tonight you're gonna stay with me. Stay with me, stay with me, 'cause tonight you're gonna stay with me. Get it, baby. Oh, yeah. So in the morning, don't say you love me, 'cause you know I'll only kick you out the door. I know your name is Rita, 'cause your perfume smells sweet. 'Cause it's about to get heavy. It's about to be on. Yeah, mine is slinging napalm. So nobody move, 'cause I was sent to warn you. The devil's in the next room. The silence, the blinding ultraviolence, knocking at your door, pacing back and forth. What now? The whispers and the screams, the stereotypical violent ritual, vicious and obscene. Now you pack your bags, the party's such a drag, and everyone can tell that you're poisoning the well. But there are no mistakes, except what you create. You need to know your place, 'cause it's about to get heavy.
Life with a cowboy, it's dirt on your floor from long days of working, so you ain't ever poor. And it ain't always easy, and you go day by day, but you won't be wishing for it any other way.